be side B. Oh, no, sorry. What side is the hypotenuse?
C.
C, because it's across from it, and B is this side. All right, using letters. What is the sign of angle A? A over C.
Yes.
What is the sign of angle B?
B over C.
Sign of B. Right?
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah.
You have to know this to be able to do this, okay? Is it true? Is this true? Sorry, it looks bad. My board is off and this is hard.
Whoa.
That's an A. Whoa.
TP.
Well, it's not putting the mark where I put my finger, but you notice. Okay. Is this true?
Yeah.
What does sine -1 mean? Inverse. It means that what this actually means is it's the same thing as the sine of A equals A over B.
But the sign of A doesn't equal A.
So I ask, is it true or false? False.
I was like, but that's not accurate.
You're right. So it is false. True or false is what we're doing here.
Is that all you're saying?
Well, no, it's not all, but some stuff.
Like, yo!
So, let me ask you this. C squared minus A squared equals B squared. True or false? True. This is just asking you questions. Is the tangent of B equal to A over B?
Wait, it's equal to B.
So this is false. All right? Just kind of making you think of what we've been doing. You understand if it does inverse or arc sine or arc cosine or sine -1, cosine -1, that means the angle, right? You understand that? All right, so this time, do you have the picture drawn? So I can kind of get rid of my drawing and move down. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, come on, that angle A is 54.2 degrees. I'm going to tell you that side C is 42. The directions say
42 degrees.
40. It's a side.
Never mind.
It would say degrees if it was an angle.
Okay. I will.
And remember, the little letters are sides, the capital letters are angles. Right? All right. Solve the triangle. With that much information. Solve the triangle means find every angle and every side. Okay. Is it a right triangle?
Yeah.
So I can find angle B very simply, can't I? Right?
Yeah.
What is angle B?
35.8 degrees.
30, and remember, you have to put a degree sign. Why? Otherwise it's radians. Okay. I need to find side A and side B, right? Because I like to kind of go in alphabetical order. Can I find side A? Can I?
Probably.
How?
Well, let me ask you this. Is the sine of 54.2 equal to A over C? I have to set up an equation where I only have one letter not filled in. Will that allow me to do that?
So you got 42.
So this is the sine of 54.2 equals A over 42. How would I solve for A?
Multiply by 42.
So 42 sine of 54.2 equals A. All right, now, the first thing you better do is make sure your calculator is in the right mode.
90 degrees.
It better be degrees, yes. Okay, it says round to one decimal place. Did you all agree with him?
34.1.
So A is 34.1. Now what am I missing?
Side E.
Okay. Well, angle C I don't have to give because I know it's a right angle. If you can find it without using any of the answers that you got, you're better off. Because what if you missed an answer? Or what if you rounded and your rounding messed you up? So how could I find B? Could I say the cosine of 54.2 is equal to B over 42?
Yeah.
What did you get for the, remember, one decimal place?
Yeah, 24.7.
We agree?
6? Like 6.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
0.6. Jeez. I disagreed.
24.6. Cadence, did you agree? Because you made a face at their first answer, so. Because you knew they gave you the wrong answer, didn't you? Or you thought you messed up.
Yeah.
That's what I would do, is think I messed up.
Especially since Chandler is like super smart, usually right.
Come on, Chandler. You know what, Chandler? We will give you the chance to make a mistake also. Because we all do.
Sammy goes, no.
No mistakes.
All right. Now, are these my answers?
Yep.
So I box them in so when I grade them I can find them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Because
It's a little slow processing.
a little slow processing. Can I work one that might be, I know it's Monday, a little bit harder?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Same triangle. Same triangle. This time I'm going to tell you that A is 12 and B is 17.
Wait, we still.
Solving the triangle.
Same degrees though.
No, that's all we know. A and B.
Oh, okay.
That's the same, it's the same picture, the same layout.
Yeah.
They're all going to be the same layout, where C is always the right angle. Okay?
Well, can you go ahead and solve for C?
Can I solve for C? How?
Pythagorean theorem.
Put that, good job. So what is C?
20.8.
Do you agree?
I do.
Okay. So if this is A, wow, B and C, this is 12, 17. How could I find angle A? Tangent of A is what? How do I find an angle when I'm given a value? Is so the arc tan of equals A? What is A?
35.2 degrees.
Do you all agree?
Yep.
Yes.
A is 35.2 degrees. Now, how am I going to find angle B?
Use it cotangent.
Oh,
You can do tangent.
Oh.
I can do tangent of B
Oh, yeah, that's
is
easier.
17 over 12. That is a whole lot easier, yes. A whole lot easier. What did you get for B?
54.8.
You all agree?
Yep. 54.
Can I ask, well, first of all, these are my answers. So I box them in. Do you all understand that angle A and angle B have to add together to be 90?
Yeah. So if you just found one, could you just subtract that by?
You can if you trust yourself that you did it right.
I do trust myself.
Some people do and some don't. Some people like to double check. And that's an option.
I'm a risk taker.
Oh, okay.
Just don't.